In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Snapchat media upload problem on iPhone. So if Snapchat won't let you upload photos or videos from your camera roll, just follow along. First, open the Snapchat app on your iPhone. Once it loads, tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon in the top left corner. Next, tap the settings icon in the top right corner. Now scroll down until you see an option called My Privacy and Data. Click it, then Clear Data, and click on Clear Cache and click Clear. After clearing the cache, completely close the Snapchat app. Make sure it's not running in the background. Now, reopen Snapchat. When it opens, tap the arrow icon on the right side of the screen. From here, enable Director Mode. Once Director Mode opens, tap the gallery or plus icon. You should now be able to select and upload media from your iPhone without any issues. If it still doesn't work, go to the App Store. Search for Snapchat and make sure it's updated to the latest version. After updating, open the app again and try uploading your media. And that's it. Your Snapchat media upload problem on iPhone should now be fixed. If this helped you out, please subscribe. It really helps me out as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.